an advanced question, so you're welcome to skip it if you want, but I wanted to go ahead and put it on there for people that wanted a little bit of a challenge or wanted to try to see if they really understand the topic here. We want to know what values of k, so we want to know what this number could be so that there would be two imaginary solutions. So this goes back to the same, these same discriminant things that we've talked about before. So remember, in the quadratic formula, we are only concerned, the discriminant is just this part that I've circled in black, and we're only concerned with that because it's about what value that is under the radical, whether we are going to get two real solutions, one real solution, or zero real solutions, which would give us the two imaginary solutions. So what would we need under the radical to get imaginary solutions? Well, we would need a negative, right? So we would need this thing that's under the radical, this b squared minus 4ac, we would need it to be negative or to be less than 0. So if I can take these numbers, so a is 4, b is 2, and my c value is what we're calling k right now. That's the thing that we're trying to find out. What values could it be? If I use these numbers, and I plug them into this discriminant, I would need this discriminant to be less than 0 if I want to get the two imaginary solutions. So b squared minus 4ac will need to be less than 0. Well, my b is 2, so 2 squared minus 4, a is 4, and I'm just going to put k here for c because that's what I'm trying to figure out is what values could give me two imaginary solutions. So 4, this gives me 16k. So I'm just going to solve this. I'm going to subtract 4. I get negative 16k is less than negative 4. Now be careful here. Probably been a while since you've divided negative numbers with inequalities, but remember that when you divide a negative number in an inequality expression, the inequality sign flips. So this is going to be k, but my sign is going to flip to be greater than now, and this simplifies to 1/4. So any k value that is bigger than 1/4, any number here that's bigger than 1/4 will create two imaginary solutions in this equation.